In divorce and custody cases here in Nebraska, mediation actually plays quite a significant role. There is a mandatory mediation rule. What that means here is that the parties are obligated, and the court orders them to participate in mediation as it relates to child custody in good faith. Does that mean that everybody is going to reach an agreement? It does not. But it does mean that both parties are expected to come to the table and attempt to reach a resolution on some issues. Mediation is an opportunity for each of you to attempt to resolve issues that may be happening right now. Mediation tends to occur earlier in the case rather than later. So it can be an opportunity to talk about what are we going to do for birthdays or upcoming holidays? What are we going to do for parenting time next summer when your sister is getting married? There are different things that mediation gives an opportunity to do. One of the things that I think mediation can be very beneficial is that there are a variety of different issues we have to decide in a child custody case, and that can be within a dissolution, a modification, or in an initial custody case like a paternity action. And those are legal custody, physical custody, parenting time, holiday parenting time, and communication, to name a few. That's not inclusive of all of the things that we have to decide or we want to talk about. But any issues that the parents can resolve in mediation are issues that we then don't have to deal with at trial or don't have to continue to negotiate throughout the case. And ultimately, what that does for the litigants or for my clients is that saves them time and that saves them money, because anything that we can agree to in mediation become resolved issues, and they're submitted as part of a partial parenting plan. And then we can move on and spend our time, money, and efforts on the things that are unresolved and really matter, and not have to spend time negotiating things that you were able to reach agreements on. And sometimes that can be something as seemingly insignificant as how the parents are going to communicate. Is it going to be through text message, telephone call, parenting app, combination? And that would be something then that we can then move our focus away from communication. We can practice that communication throughout the rest of the case to see how it works and if there's anything we need to tweak in our final order. When it comes to financial settlements, say in a divorce with mediation, it can be very, very helpful to participate in mediation, with your attorney when it comes to a financial resolution. It allows us greater opportunity to get everyone into the room together to see what types of things motivate one another. And sometimes there are things that we haven't considered or haven't thought about in a financial resolution or proposed settlement that we're able to think about with the assistance of a neutral mediator when we have everyone together in a mediation session, focusing all at the same time at the common goal of finding a resolution to the case.